How to fix Messenger waiting for this message may take a while error. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Messenger waiting for this message. This may take a while error. The first step is to go to the home screen where all the apps installed on your device appear. From there, look for the Messenger mobile app icon and long press on it. After that, a menu with options will appear as you can see here. From the menu, make sure you tap on the app info icon that appears here. You will land on the app info page where you will see different sections that you can use to get info on your app. From there, scroll down a bit and then tap on this option here named Storage. You will then land on this page here where there are two options at the bottom of the page. From the two options, make sure you tap this option here named Clear Cache. This will clear the app cache and remove corrupt files that may be causing the problem. After that, come back to the homepage of the phone and then open the Play Store or App Store depending on the device you are using because the tutorial is the same on both Android and iOS devices. After that, make sure you search for Messenger and then check if the app needs to be updated and update it. This will ensure you get all the latest features and also errors and the app will be removed. Next, come back to the Messenger app and check if the error has disappeared. If after doing all that the error is still there, then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. A side panel with options will appear. From the options, make sure you tap on the Settings option. It is this option here with the gear symbol. You will then be taken to the Settings page of the app. On the Settings page, there are different settings that you can use on the app to make different changes to the app. From them, make sure you scroll down to the bottom of the page. After that, tap this option here named Report a Technical Problem. A menu will then appear. From there, tap on this option here. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Finally, you will land on the feedback box of Messenger. In this box, you have to type a short message to the Messenger support team explaining to them the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them just like you can see here. You can also copy what I have typed here. Finally, send them a message and give them time. They'll respond to you with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix Messenger waiting for this message. This may take a while error.